Hello teacher and classmates, my name is Carolina Verano. I am from Bogota. I study industrial engineering, and in this time we are going to talk about step number 2 about intellectual property. So I did this synoptic table where I show the causes and the consequences that the Colombian companies are faced when they are trying to do the registering process. So the causes are the long time that the process can take, the missing information that the companies have about the benefits that the registering can give to them. The requirements can be so hard to complete. So according to this, the companies are going to get another solutions to keep their information safe against the competitive. So the consequences are they skip the registering using confidential agreements between their employers and the third part. The third parts can be customers and suppliers. In another companies, they are doing or making complicated designs in order to prevent that other companies can copy their ideas. So as a recommendations, me as an industrial engineer can say this is so important for the companies, not only to prevent the copy from other companies. It's very good opportunity to grow up in the local and international markets. So for me, in this case, I recommend to include this process of the register the products with the intellectual property in the internal areas of the company. I mean, if the investigation and develop area will do a new product, they have to check the process of registering it since the beginning of the project, not by the end. And it's pretty good as well to get to talk with the legal area or to consult area in order to check what is the process of the registration, what is the lead time and the requirements to do it in order to support the I+D area, in order to they check that information always. Thank you.